Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about MoneyPak and PayPal. And more specifically, I'm going to answer the question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, can you buy a MoneyPak card to reload money onto your PayPal account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Not a lot to talk about on this one. Really, just a few resources I'm going to put in here, and then a quick overview on this. And if you're not familiar with MoneyPak, basically all it is, it's a card that you can buy at a lot of local retailers like CVS. With that card, you can pay cash for it. Once you've bought the card at the retailer, you can use it to reload a lot of different types of accounts and pay for a lot of different things. So for example, a lot of people will use it to reload their prepaid debit cards. But can you use it to add money into your PayPal account? Well, the short answer is no. No, you cannot. MoneyPak is really an interesting and convenient way to reload a lot of different accounts, but at this time, PayPal, you cannot do that, at least at the recording of this video. And how you find that information is you go here to the MoneyPak website. Once you're here at this website, click on these three dots here on the top right. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on help. I'm going to click there now. Once you're here on the help screen, I'm going to show you where you can find this information. That way in the future, if MoneyPak does offer that type of service for PayPal, it's going to be revealed in here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you get to this section called Deposit Money. Here on Deposit Money, there's a line called Can I use MoneyPak to add money to PayPal? I'm going to click on that line now. And as you can see right here, this is the pop-up that comes up, just letting you know that MoneyPak does not allow you to add money to your PayPal account. And I actually don't know if that's because of MoneyPak or if it's because of PayPal who's restricting it. But at least at the time of the recording, this is not an option. If you happen to be watching this video in the future and MoneyPak allows you to add money to your PayPal account, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. I'm recording this in March of 2020, but MoneyPak does leave a little link right there for PayPal Cash. They refer you there. This process is a little bit different. Basically what you do is you go to the store and add money to your PayPal account directly. That's a completely different video. I did a video on that explains that process. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to that video, but it's a similar process to adding and buying a MoneyPak. So once again, just to answer the question, can you use MoneyPak to fund your PayPal account or to reload your PayPal account? No, you cannot, at least at the time of the recording of this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or if you found it a waste of time, be sure to share it with your friends. Let them know how this video is doing. But I appreciate the view, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again.